Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually lock a particular channel on your TV, on your master decoder. So alright, so let's say you want a particular channel to be locked. Maybe you don't want your kid to actually get access to watch that particular channel, or it's an adult channel and you want to keep it safe for your own use. Alright, all you got to do is to pick up your remote and press on the menu button on the remote. Okay, so here you look for the channel edit. Okay, channel edit, and you come here, you press on the TV channel. If it's a radio channel that you need to lock, you come to the radio channel list. So you come to the TV channel, you press OK, and here, as you can see, you have some command down on the screen. So you look for the lock, that's the blue option. You press on the blue button on your remote, and that will actually enable you to proceed. Alright, so here it's asking for the default code of the master combo decoder. So you can't add any new code over here. This code will be the default code that is set on the master decoder. So if it hasn't been changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. Alright, 4 zeros. If you want the code to be different, you need to change the code in a different menu for it to be a different code. Maybe you are not too sure, maybe someone can get access to the channel. So after proceeding with the code, all you got to do is to select, press OK on the channel that you need to lock. Okay, like this, and you press exit for it to save. Press exit and then you press OK to save, and you are done. So you go back and check whether the lock has been okay. It's on it. You press OK, and you need to provide the lock or the password for you to get access. Alright, so that's it. If you want the code to be a different one, because that 4 zeros, maybe people can get access to it, you go to the menu and then you come to system settings, come to lock control, and then you come to the change password. So you key in the old password, which is the 4 zeros. You key in the 4 zeros here, which will enable you to actually key in a new one and then confirm it for you to be the new code. Alright, so if this video has been helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share to other platforms. Thanks for watching.